We are already smiling at the thought of sighting the Tibetan prayer flags announcing the summit of our last call, the Nia Lam Tong La Pass. 5 months ago, we embarked on an enormous cycling adventure that would transport us nearly 8,000 kilometers from Mongolia as far as Calcutta at the mouth of the Ganges in India, passing through Xinjiang, the Taklamakan Desert, Tibet, and Nepal. And for what reason? To go beyond our limits? To discover our world? Or maybe just simply to discover ourselves?